Number 1. Number 2. Number 3.
Hey everyone, today I'm going to be trying out this magnetic lash and liner set from loveeee. This one actually includes 5 pairs of different lashes, which is really awesome. I'm definitely someone that likes to have variety when it comes to the kind of lash style that I use. And I think this is pretty unique too because a lot of magnetic lash sets, even if they come in a set, sometimes they're all the same style, which I think is so odd because it's definitely beneficial to have, different ones you can choose from because some are just better for different occasions. As you can see, these are all really, really nice looking. There's definitely a lot of volume on all of these, but I can tell already that some are gonna be good for more like natural everyday looks, and then some are gonna be good for like special occasions, these ones. And of course, here's the magnetic liner. The liner's got nice thin tips, so it's gonna be really easy to apply.